What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Thursday, we're getting to the end of the week, so hopefully you guys are having a great week. And so far, I just want to say it's been a pretty good week for me. But now, I want to cover something which I saw yesterday, which I didn't like. We got as many dislikes on the video as we got likes. Now, I don't understand that. So please explain to me, guys, what you didn't like about yesterday's video. Was it the clothes? Was it the fact that I was talking about stocks? Was it the title? Was it the text on the screen? I don't know what it was. But please just let me know, because there's nothing wrong with not liking the video, but at least give me feedback so I can at least adapt, change things around, make them better, and of course they're produced for you guys, so I want to help you guys be satisfied. But now, let's talk about what we came here to listen to today's video. Things that distract you from becoming rich. Well, first of all, I'm going to start off by saying, if you want to become rich, don't let haters distract you. So those of you who disliked yesterday without leaving a reason why, that's the kind of thing I'm talking about. That doesn't distract me from becoming rich. But anyway, let's talk about the things that actually stop you from becoming rich. Things like watching too much Netflix, playing too many video games, caring about what other people think, not taking enough risks, staying in the comfort zone, waiting too long, waiting for the right time, overthinking, and also just not getting enough rest. So how do these things stop you, distract you from becoming rich? Well, let's take Netflix and video games for example. The time that you spend watching Netflix, playing video games, is the time that you could be using to read, invest in yourself, learn, find out new things, try new things. And of course, there's a load of different things you can do instead of watching Netflix. You can also be bettering yourself, you can be improving yourself, you can be going in the gym, doing workouts, you can be doing so much more. As I always tell you guys, there's nothing wrong with liking entertainment, there's nothing wrong with liking a bit of Netflix. We all love, watching a few series, watching a movie, this and that. Nothing wrong with that. But what I am saying is, those kind of things do distract you from becoming rich. You get so indulged and so comfortable with watching other people do stuff, keeping you entertained, that you forget that you've got your own life to live. Now, when it comes to video games, it's the exact same thing. And if you guys know me, I love video games. I love playing COD, FIFA, that sort of stuff. But, guys, you can't just be worried about the PS5. You've also got to be worried about providing for yourself, becoming better, fulfilling your potential, increasing what you know, learning, being able to provide for yourself to buy your own PS5. Of course, ladies, this goes for you as well. When it comes to what you want to get done in your life, if you want to become rich, don't let things distract you, like trying to find ways to find your guy a PS5. But of course, I'm just joking on that part, but it still is important to focus on yourself. Because I do see a lot of people who are focused on other people. And that's the same when it comes to Netflix, watching other things, being on Hulu, being on your Xbox, your PS4, that kind of stuff. That is distracting you from becoming rich. It's only a few hours a day, but those few hours add up. And that's money. Time is money, as you guys know. When it comes to stuff like caring about what other people think, guys, if you want to become rich, you're going to have to ignore what other people think. If you don't do enough, people are going to complain. If you do enough, people are going to complain. If you're doing well and you're succeeding, people are going to hate. People are going to complain. So why don't you be successful while people complain instead of being unsuccessful while people complain? I just want to tell you guys that it doesn't matter who you are or what you do. There are going to be some people in this world who are just unhappy. You can be doing all the good in the world. I've seen so many great people doing so much good in the world. People still find a way to complain. I don't understand it. So it makes me realize that just whatever happens, people are going to complain. Forget about it. Who cares what they think? You're here to do you. Now, let's touch on staying in your comfort zone or waiting for the right opportunity. Those kind of things. Sorry guys to tell you, that never happens. The right opportunity never comes along. You've got to take the moment and make it perfect. You've got to get out of your comfort zone, be ready to grind and work hard for what you want. The right opportunity never ever comes, I'm telling you that. I told you guys about my experience with my smartwatch company, with other businesses. The right time just never ever comes. These are some of the distractions that are stopping you from becoming rich. Now I want to cover overthinking. You think. It's you procrastinating, analysis paralysis, waiting for the right time. That kind of thing is going to stop you from becoming rich. And lastly, I want to touch on not getting enough sleep. Your health is your wealth. Becoming healthy, staying healthy, is you being wealthy. The more healthy you are, the longer you'll be wealthy. Trust me, there's no good having all the money in the world, but you're sick, you're overweight, you're not doing well. You've got to do well for yourself. Be healthy first. That includes getting enough rest. Keeps you calm, gets you less stressed, and of course, you cannot operate on 3-4 hours of sleep each and every day. So also when it comes to TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, all that kind of stuff, I don't care guys. It's wasting your time and it's stopping you from becoming rich. These are all distractions which you won't care about 2 years down the line, 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line. So please focus today on yourself, focus on what you want to do to become rich, focus on what's going to help you improve your life. We've got one life, as I always tell you, and my job is to help at least one person become better each and every day, one person closer to financial freedom, one person closer to success. So today, hopefully that is you. And as always, like I said, If you guys didn't like the video, please give me a reason why. Let me know. I will improve these videos. I'm here to make them for you guys. That's what we're here to do. So let me know what you don't like instead of just disliking the video. Now I'll stop talking about that, but tomorrow's Financial Friday, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. We're gonna have another great video for you guys, so like I said, stick around for that one. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the red button below. Everyone else, like, comment, share with your friends, all the good stuff as always. Thanks to those of you guys who do comment. I love it, I appreciate it, and I always try and reply to you guys. But that's it for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I've got money making, you've got money making. See you guys tomorrow for Financial Friday. Peace.